Guys, we are playing with so much new stuff today. Unfortunately, I did record this first part and my camera decided to not keep the clip. It was like corrupt. So I'm so sad. So I'm trying to basically start from where I left off. I am wearing for foundation the Kylie Cosmetics Skin Tint Blurring Elixir. I'm wearing shade 4.5 WN and I am self-tan, so I feel like this color does match really nicely with like the rest of my body, and I really like this. I heard so many people talking about this, so I was recording that, and that's part of the clip that got corrupt. And then where I left off was I used the under eye brightener Instant Awake from Catrice under my eyes with this little brush that they sent me, and just did a very light layer of that so things don't get cakey, because as us girls, we get older as we hit our 30s, things start to crease a little bit more, so we have to be very careful, right? I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Things are different, so we adjust accordingly, and it's fine. We go from there. So light layers is always good. We're not like doing the intense bake. And now I'm gonna go in with concealer. Okay, so for concealer, I love this. I'm running out actually, the NYX Bear With Me Serum Concealer. So I'm just gonna take a little bit. And again, light layers. I go on the side of my nose and then under the eye. And I'm just using the same little brush from Catrice. I actually really like this. Catrice is so good. If you guys have never tried them before, they used to be at Ulta. Now, unfortunately, you can't get it at Ulta, but you can get everything on Amazon. That's like the main place where they sell their stuff. So I think their stuff is great. And it's very similar-esque to Essence. They're not the same company. I think they're actually competitor brands. But you guys, I've been just like, I love doing my makeup. Like, I feel like I'm finally getting in a rhythm of like, after all these years, like I've always obviously enjoyed doing makeup, but I feel like I like know what looks good on me to like accentuate my features or like hide certain things or lift, or you know, I feel like I'm finally like kind of getting a feel for like what looks good. Even though the good people of Facebook always tell me that they don't like my makeup. People always have comments, and I was talking about this in the clip that got deleted. I was saying such good things too. Dang it. I had so many great words for you guys. But you have to develop a thick skin with online comments, and I've had to, especially over the past year, because I've had videos go viral, and you know, everyone wants the viral video, but no one wants the hate comments, the critiques that come with the viral video. That's a whole other thing that people aren't ready for. So you can't have one without the other. That's what you kind of sign up for with this. I have actually two powders from Catrice. This is the Bright and Blur Airbrush Powder in Pink Luminance. And then pink stuff never looks good on me though. This one, I don't know, I'll try it, but it always makes my under eyes look weird. And then this is the Soft Matte Airbrush Powder, Ultra Smooth Blurring. I don't know, should I try this under the eyes or should I try this one? Let's see, I kind of just want to see like what this, okay, that, I actually like that. It's not like a crazy bright pink. Let me get a powder puff. Ooh, very brightening. I like that. That is so pretty. It has like a highlighted look to it. Do you guys see that? Everything's gonna blend together, so I know it looks a little crazy right now, but when I put my blush on and everything, it's gonna look better. Okay, so now that we're nice and bright, I have this awesome package from Essence. They sent over their Soft Touch line. Let's take a look. This has literally everything. Bouncy blush, bouncy glow highlighters, and soft touch. Oh, they're calling this butter bronzer. Isn't that like illegal? Because that's Physicians Formula. But it says it's our dreamiest collection. Second skin finish, soft, buildable, and seriously addictive. Isn't that so pretty? So I want to use as many things as I can. What should we do? Maybe for blush? Maybe we should do the bronzer first. I'm gonna do, this is such a cute package too. It looks like a little pillow. So this color I think might work. This is called Golden Buttercream. Whenever I do my makeup, I'm like, oh, I gotta do this every day, and then I like don't. But like when I do it, I'm like, I wish I could just do this every day. I could, but I'm lazy. You guys know. Cause like I don't go, if I, you know, well, I don't even know then. I don't think I'd be if I had a 9 to 5. Cause I used to and I wasn't doing all this. You just gotta like, you know, in the morning you're not doing a freaking full glam to go to work. Ooh, this is, oh, you guys. This is freaking pretty, this bronzer. Yes. My engraved brush from when I worked at Tweezerman. Do you guys remember that? If you've been OG, you know I worked at Tweezerman for 5 years of my life. That was when I had a 9 to 5. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. And I don't miss a 9 to 5 at all. I really don't. I miss the coworkers, like the girls and like those friendships because that was so special. But to do my own thing, to own my time is so amazing. Like there's nothing like it truly, especially when you've done both. Like I know what it is like to work a 9 to 5. Granted, it's been a while. I'm an introvert. I'm so happy to work for myself. Like it's the best. I've never liked, this is gonna sound so weird, I've never liked authority. Like I've always struggled with authority and like having like a boss, and I've never liked doing what I'm told. I never liked it. I know that sounds crazy and probably bad, but I don't care. I've just always kind of liked doing my own thing, march to the beat of my own drum. And I don't like it. I don't want to ask someone to go to the, when I have to take off for vacation, you know? Is Soft Glaze. This looks beautiful. Ooh, it's like butter, honey. These are so pretty. What? How was I not using these? They're gorgeous. Lashes. I did nose contour and brows off camera. If you're like, what changed? So now I want to do lashes. I did get this package from L'Oreal. It's this panorama package. Oh, you know what? This is interesting. These are all like colors. So we have a brown, a burgundy, a blue, and then the black one is like all the way at the end. Just in my waterline, brown leather. And when I'm pulling down my eye, I just use that same pad I used for the powder. This is like, I'm not used to using a regular pencil for under my eyes. I'm gonna use the regular black panorama mascara from L'Oreal. And I do have a bunch of those like individual lashes from Kiss that we can play around with. I actually just did a little video on the Dollar Tree dupe, like a side by side, so you guys could see the difference. But I will upload that to YouTube Shorts. One of my hacks, by the way, for summer, if you guys are trying to lean up or tone out for summer, lean up or tone out, I don't even know if that made sense, but I've been drinking as one of my like meals or whatever a clear protein. So instead of blending up a protein shake, which is, sometimes you just really don't want to do that, and my blender is so loud, I just pour this clear powder, it's like a pink powder, into my cup, and I drink it like I drink water, and it is 20 grams of protein. Because my macros right now, I'm working with a macro coach who literally all she did was just give me macros. Like, I'm not being coached like on a weekly basis or anything like that, but her name is Macro Habits on Instagram if you guys want to look her up. But I was like, I'm not playing around, like I want to get into like my best shape. So right now I'm doing 155 grams of protein, which I know sounds crazy, but I've been able to hit it every day. You just have to be a little strategic about it. And that has been one of my hacks. I'm actually thinking I'm going to take it with me to the gym and just drink it when I'm at the gym. It's like so simple. Lip liner from Catrice. This is called Gel Glide lip liner in Toffee Talk. See what this looks like. Ooh. I go through lip liner like crazy. I just had a Maybelline one that I was using, and I was like sharpening it down to the little nub. Cat hair in my lip liner. Okay. Oh, this color is so pretty. I love colors like this because they really like define the lip and give you that like overlined look. I had to wait for my camera to charge because it died, but I love how this look came out. However, I feel like I have to like wrap up because I was like literally in the middle of doing the lipstick and the camera died. So I did this Catrice lip liner, which I think I showed you guys, and I love this color. This is gonna be my new go-to, Toffee Talk. You guys need this. It's so, oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And then with cream cut, perfection. And then I also have this gloss from ColourPop. It's from the Princess collection. I don't know if this is still like around because they sent me this a while ago, but this is in the shade Ariel. And it's like this really pretty glittery white shade. I wasn't even gonna add gloss, but ooh, oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. I just kind of had it on my bottom and I just transferred to the top because yeah, that just happened. And I was like so unsure about this hair, but I feel like it looks so good with the makeup done. It's kind of like swooping this little front piece right here, and I liked that. I thought it looked a little bit different to have it kind of coming in the front like that. Loved everything we use. I'm obsessed with this Kylie skin tint. It looks so nice, you guys. I feel like I might have to go get another color because I love this one so much and it matches the self tan so nicely. So this is awesome. And I loved this. Oh my gosh, you guys. The under eye brightener from Catrice with this powder. Unreal. And the Essence, the soft touch line, the bronzer, the glow, and and the blush. The skin is skinning. Like, that actually means nothing, but that phrase means nothing, but oh, I'm obsessed. Like, I absolutely love. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I feel so bad that I don't have the clip from the first part when I was putting the foundation on and I was like prepping with the base because I didn't unfortunately get to show you guys that, but I did use the Jelly Grip Hydrating Primer from Essence, which I really like this. And then I also sprayed the Essence Bouncy Plump Dewy Spray on top of that, and I thought that was great. I think that's everything. I was gonna put on some lashes, but I feel like I just don't need them. Like the L'Oreal mascara was so good, the Panorama. Like, I feel like my lashes, sometimes I feel like I like the way I look better without fake lashes. It really depends, but I'm feeling how they look right now. So that is it. Love how this came out. This is gonna be like, I think this is gonna be my go-to spring makeup look, and I feel like it's so flattering for brown eyes. And I really hope that they still sell this Cara palette. It's called the Essentials because this is what I used today, and it was perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.